All right, let's paint this next door. Dunk, dunk, slap, slap. Listen to the way my brush sounds when I'm applying the paint. That was applying the paint. Now I'm gonna feather the paint in and give it the graining of the brush with the latex product. And then I'm gonna feather out the box inlay. Okay, we're on to the next panel. Apply it first. This door is going to get 2 coats of paint. Okay, do your top piece. Do your metal piece. Remember to feather over your work. Kneel down. Let's work on the next panel. Apply the paint first. Don't be afraid to put some pressure on the brush. Okay, now we're going to feather over it lightly. Feather your inlay. No drips, no runs, no sags. Next panel. Okay, looking good. Good job, guys and girls. Do your middle piece. Feather over it. Do your other middle piece. Feather over it. Do your lower panel. Apply the paint first. Feather it out later, after you apply the product. Okay, feather over it lightly. Get the graining going. Okay, do your middle piece. Do your bottom piece. Turn your brush sideways to do the bottom. The brush has more resilience that way and stiffer. Okay, feather over your work. Open the door a little bit. These 2 pieces are different. We don't want to whack it with the paintbrush. We want to cut the door in. Okay, long stroke all the way down, feather it, blend it in. Do your side rail. Cut it around your skeleton key doorknob mechanism. Cut it in with your brush. Feather over your work to get out black marks. Continue on with the side rail as much as you can reach up. Now feather over your work to blend it all in. Stand up. Do your side rail over here, cut it in against the trim. Do you hear the difference in the brush strokes now? Very light. Feather the last one in, make it long. There you go. Let's see what your door looks like. Let's see what that door looks like. Not bad for your, this is your third door now. Look at the shine on that. That door is gonna need 2 coats.